This is the M2 SSD mounting screw. It is a 633 piece set. It has 16 different types of laptop screws, including 4 types of mainstream M2 SSD mounting studs, 2 types of M2 screws, 10 types of mainstream flathead laptop screws. The kit also comes with a CRV magnetic screwdriver, so you don't have to buy that separately. This is the screwdriver that it comes with. All the different sizes of M2 screws. This kit is great to have to be able to work on my like a lot of my electronic devices that require small screws like laptops, Nintendo, and other electronics.